to the YouTube channel. Today we're going to go to my friend's shop and he's going to do a new exhaust for me, new axle back exhaust for me. In this video we're going to cover the exhaust, we're going to hear the sound difference between my old one and get a little bit of the new one, and you'll see some clips of the car in action too. So with that being said, let's get this started. Up we go. Gonna do the exhaust on this thing. Gonna get rid of that 4-inch tip and put this on there. So we got the exhaust all measured up. Just gonna check here the hangers, and I think we're gonna be good to start the next part of like actually measuring it right here. But yeah, talk about the subframe. Made a whole video on this. I'm running a welded IS300 diff, and I have the JZX90 stubs, and I'm running the axles of the JZX100. But if I ever blow an axle, I can just swap the stubs. I can swap the stubs, these part right here, and that part right there, and I can run a IS300 axle, and it'll be good to go, if that ever does happen, but these are pretty strong.
It's like a tiny bit more angle than we started with, but it's still pretty good.
A little bit more angle than what we started with?
I think so.
Yeah, that's
but
fine.
It's not bad.
No, that's fine with me.
I think I had it slightly more that way before, but we're good.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I like it.
I like to cock them out like that, but then you stagger the tips so that the stagger's flush with the rear bumper.
Very cool.
No, we're currently recording.
We're the ones doing it.